Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Hello everyone! In this video, I will show you how to make strawberry lemonade the easy way. We'll go through each step to create a wonderfully refreshing drink that's perfect for any occasion. You'll need just a few common ingredients: fresh strawberries, lemons, granulated sugar, and water. This simple approach ensures a delicious result with minimal effort, so let's get started on this delightful beverage right away. First, let's prepare our strawberry component. You'll want to hull and slice approximately 1 pound of fresh, ripe strawberries. Once prepared, place them into a blender with about 1/4 cup of water. Blend until you achieve a smooth puree. For a clearer lemonade, strain this puree through a fine mesh sieve, pressing down to extract all the liquid. This step ensures a beautiful, smooth strawberry flavor without any pulp. Next, we'll create the zesty lemonade base. You'll need to squeeze the juice from about 6 to 8 medium-sized lemons, aiming for roughly 1 cup of fresh lemon juice. In a pitcher, combine this fresh lemon juice with 1 cup of granulated sugar. Stir the mixture vigorously until the sugar completely dissolves. This ensures a perfectly balanced sweetness and tartness in your lemonade, forming the ideal foundation for our drink. Now for the exciting part, combining everything. Pour the strawberry puree into the pitcher with your lemon sugar mixture. Give it a good stir to fully incorporate the flavors. Then, add about 3 to 4 cups of cold water, adjusting the amount to achieve your preferred strength and sweetness. Serve your homemade strawberry lemonade over plenty of ice, perhaps garnished with a fresh strawberry or a slice of lemon. Enjoy this wonderfully easy and refreshing drink.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.